My name is Ian Preston. I'm Deputy Principal of the New South Wales Virtual STEM Academy and I work for the New South Wales Department of Education. I've been an educator for 32 years. My career has been centred in Western New South Wales and the Riverina parts of New South Wales. My area speciality is STEM, so science, technology, engineering and mathematics. Through my work I'm trying to achieve equity for students in regional, rural and remote New South Wales, and in particular I'm looking to achieve equity for Indigenous and female students. We've seen a significant increase in students accessing quality STEM education. We've had a very significant proportion of our female students and our Indigenous students taking part in our programs. In the future we're hoping that every child that goes to a school in rural, regional, remote New South Wales has access to a quality STEM education. My colleagues have always been very important in the process. I've been quite fortunate over my 32 years that I've been able to work with a number of very inspirational leaders in education. I'm really honoured to win this prize after 32 years of being passionate about educating students, particularly in Western New South Wales and the Riverina area. It's really nice to be acknowledged, and I hope that it shows other educators that you can live in the country, you can make a difference in the country. Rural students need and deserve quality education, and I hope that in winning this award it might showcase to other educators that there is a future for us working in the country.